Hi, everybody.
Hi, buddy.
Are you guys ready to go to the farm? We have our pig. What sound does it make?
I'm an oink oink pig. I'm an oink oink pig. I'm an oink oink. I'm an oink oink. I'm an oink oink pig.
What color is this one?
Red.
It's red. Okay. Do you want to open the red barn? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Open! What was in the red barn? Show everybody your pig. What sound does the pig make? Oink, oink, oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm, what did he have, kids? He had a pig. What noise does the pig make? Yeah, oink oink, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, and he had his pig. And what do we have here?
Cow.
It's a cow. It goes moo.
Moo, moo, here. Moo, moo, here. Hey, moo, hey, moo. Hey, Toddler.
I'm a moo moo cow. I'm a moo moo cow. I'm a moo moo. I'm a moo moo. I'm a moo moo cow.
Okay, next one. Old MacDonald had a cow. E-I-E-I-O. It's a white and black cow. It's a milking cow. What sound does the cow make? With a moo moo here and a moo moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Good job. Repeat, repeat, repeat after me. Moo, cow, moo, cow. Wow! And what is this?
Sheep.
It's a sheep. It goes baa.
I'm a baba sheep. I'm a baba sheep. I'm a baba. I'm a baba. I'm a baba sheep.
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a sheep. A white sheep. What sound does the sheep make? Baa. Yes. E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there. Here a ba, there a ba. Everywhere ba-ba. Good job. The white sheep says ba. 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 Let me hear your ba. Ba. Good job. Making the sheep sound. Repeat, repeat, repeat after me. Little sheep, little sheep.
I'm a neigh neigh horse. I'm a neigh neigh horse. I'm a neigh neigh. I'm a neigh neigh. I'm a neigh neigh horse.
Old MacDonald had a horse. Old MacDonald had an orange horse. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And what sound does the horse make? Yeah, with a neigh neigh here and a neigh neigh there. Here neigh, there neigh, everywhere a neigh neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Good job, guys. You're so good at this. And what sound does the horsey make?
Happy.
The horsey?
Yay!
Then there was a rooster.
I'm a loud rooster. I'm a loud rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo. I'm a loud rooster.
What does Old MacDonald have? A rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo. E-I-E-I-O.
I'm a meow meow cat. I'm a meow meow cat. I'm a meow meow. I'm a meow meow. I'm a meow meow cat.
We have an orange cat. Meow. Meow.
Bunny.
That's the bunny.
Bunny.
Bunny. And what's that? A cat. What sound does the cat make?
Meow.
This cat is driving the tractor. E-I-E-I-O. What sound does the cat make? With a meow meow here and a meow meow there. Here meow, there meow, everywhere meow meow. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Good job learning Old MacDonald with me. There was a goat.
I'm a cute little goat. I'm a cute little goat. I go meh meh. I go meh meh. I'm a cute little goat.
Can you say goat?
Yep.
I even saw a duck on Old MacDonald's farm. What sound does the duck make? Quack, quack here and a quack, quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack, quack. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Good job, guys. On Old MacDonald's farm, there was a horse, a cow, a pig, a duck, a cat, a rooster, a fox, a sheep, a goat, a ducky, a rabbit, and some swimming duckies. Are you ready to open the next barn?
Okay.
Okay. What color should we open?
Purple one.
Okay, we're gonna open the purple barn. What number
2,
is on the barn?
5.
That's a 5. So we're gonna count to 3 and then open.
1, 2, 3.
Open! What's inside of the barn?
Ducky.
It's a ducky. And what number is on the blue barn?
4.
4. Number 4. On the count of 3.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3.
3. Open! What's inside? It looks like a little sheep. What sound does the sheep make?
Bah!
Bah! Bah! It's called sink or float. We have this red heart. Does this sink or float? Put it in the water. It floats. This orange basketball. It floats. An onion, sink or float. It floats too. We have some money, pretend money. Oh, it's sinking. We have this white sheep. Ah, does it sink or float? It floats. We have our delicious ice cream cone. Okay, last one. We have our big yellow ducky. Sink or float?